ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog will be all about Better Place by NSYNC. Stream now next week at Spot the Fighting Games time. Mamaya yan. But subscribe na to the YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Aabuti tayo ng 500 subscribers. Supportan natin ang ating social media account. For our latest vlog, 233, episode 233, entitled Better Place in 7 days. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin about this song by NSYNC. Okay, eto na. After more than 2 decades, nagpabalik na ang 90s boy band na NSYNC. This is the new song and the first song in over 2 decades. May bagong kanta entitled Better Place para sa pelikula Trolls Band Together. The stream song of NSYNC's Better Place will next week, September 29, 2023. We only have 7 days to go. Today is Friday. 7 days to go before stream the song. Kaya pre-save na po sa Spotify, iTunes, at other digital platforms worldwide. Bago yan. Kasi after announced that NSYNC reunited sa BMS after a decade, isa lang, 1 decade. At ang nanalo si Taylor Swift for Best Pop Award. Ano kaya saan nag-guest post yung banda yan? Pwede kayo mapapanood sa NSYNC social media accounts. Yung mga may guesting sa non-TV shows and may TV shows. Anteng yung Today Show, Good Morning America. Di ko alam kung malaman natin yan soon. At yung yung lip sync pala sa TV series na Friends. Oo, Friends, yung kay Jennifer Aniston. Sabi, do you know something? Do you know something? Ayan, marami mo sa sa social media account ng NSYNC sa Facebook, Threads, Instagram, at sa X, formerly Twitter. Good luck na yung September 29, next week na yan. Now, oras na para sa Spot the Fighting Game. Ayan! Ito na, here's your highlights sa episode 63 ng former ABS-CBN team series Jimmy, kung saan si Angelica Panganiban and Love Rivero spotted in Arcade Center that the 2 games from Capcom, Marvel vs. Capcom and Marvel Superheroes vs. Street Fighter. Ako, okay naman lahat. Meron naglaro ako ng Street Fighter, mga Marvel Superhero, and of course, sa mga fighting crossover games. I miss this. Ganayon, medyo gambling games na. Pero okay naman kahit safety protocols tayo sa arcade, like sa SM, Robinsons, at saka sa Trinoma, at siya sa Fairview Terraces. Kaya, face mask on, at mahugas na kamay. Kaya, lalo tayo ng video games. I miss this. Kaya, throwback. Yan po for our latest vlog. Thank you, Angelica Panganiban sa ABS-CBN at sa GCTV's YouTube channel. Bye! God bless you next vlog!